Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you the main eye exercises mistake that a lot of people make, which is bad for eyesight. A person with tensed eye muscles begins to do strange exercises and many of them at one eye exercises training. To the right, to the left, up and downwards. And doing these exercises, he even more push his eye muscle to a spasm. A person begins to do these exercises with power because he thinks the more actively he will do, the better results will be. And he actively does and even many repetitions, many exercises in one workout. But his eyes are not ready, his muscles are not ready, his ligaments are not ready, his capillary system is not ready for such training. It's like asking a regular person to pull up 50 repetitions or to run a marathon. Sportsmen can do it, but an unprepared person cannot. The main cause of eyesight deterioration is eye muscles overstrains. Because of lack of rest and eye relaxation, people strain their eyes on a screen without periodical rest and without changing position, distance to the screen. Eye exercises must be performed very gently, nice and easily, without straining eye muscles. Maximum 3 exercises with 1 or 2 repetition and relaxation before and after each exercises. To close eyes for 10 seconds and imagine how eyes relax. If any uncomfortable feelings during eye exercises, you should immediately stop. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.